What's up, everybody? It's Carrie. So I haven't posted a video in a long time, like now, about 4 days, I think, somewhere around there. And well, I'm working on my 1D one. I kind of deleted the first part of it, but I got the second part. Yeah. Well, I just was grabbing this, and I just want to show you this perfect curl. I just like perfect curl right there. Not this part. Wait, my other one part wasn't. I did this like little part right here. Wasn't that long? Anyway, isn't that pretty? So that's why my hair is like this. I don't know. Don't have a voice of sick right now. But well, none of you likes like question and answer again. But I don't have that much people watching it, so I would not surprised. I hope you like the video though. But tomorrow I'll post this video. Me and my friend are either gonna do a skit of this video, just write out the video and lip sync to the song, or we're gonna do some challenges or something. But anyway, I hope you're having a great day or great week, great weekend, whatever you're having. And I'll see you later, bitches.